Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to What's Next, where we're always one step ahead of the future. Today we're diving deep into a mind-blowing concept that's about to change everything you thought you knew about AI. What if I told you there's a secret ingredient that makes AI more human and you use it every day without realizing? Buckle up, because we're about to unlock AI's real superpower: context engineering. Now, before we jump in, let me hit you with a quick fact. AI is everywhere, but only 1% of people truly understand how it thinks. Mind-boggling, right? If you're ready to join that elite 1% and outsmart the future, smash that subscribe button right now. So, what exactly is context engineering? Think of it as the secret sauce that teaches AI to understand not just words, but meaning. It's like having an assistant who doesn't just hear what you say, but knows your mood, your intent, and your entire history. Imagine texting your friend "I'm fine" after a bad day. A human would pick up on the subtle cues that you're actually not fine at all. It's context in action, and that's what we're teaching AI to do. But why is context so important in AI? Well, have you ever had autocorrect completely mess up your message, turning a heartfelt "I love you" into "I loathe you"? Ouch, that's what happens when AI lacks context. In fact, a whopping 90% of AI errors happen due to missing context. It's like trying to understand a movie by only watching random 5-second clips. You're bound to miss the plot. Let's break down how context engineering actually works. Picture this. You're at a party, and you're trying to understand what's going on around you. That's exactly what AI does, but on a massive scale. First, there's data collection. AI learns from what you do, not just what you say. It's like how you pick up on your friend's body language, not just their words. Next comes pattern recognition. This is where AI starts finding meaning in chaos. It's like when you notice your dog always gets excited right before you say walk. AI is looking for those same kinds of patterns in data. Finally, we have memory and relevance. AI needs to remember what matters and forget what doesn't, just like how you remember your best friend's birthday, but forget what you had for lunch last Tuesday. Now let's talk real-world applications, because this isn't just cool tech, it's already changing your life. Take virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. When you ask them to play that song I like, they don't just hear words. They understand your preferences, your listening history, even the time of day. That's context engineering in action. Or how about self-driving cars? They're not just following GPS directions. They're understanding their surroundings in real time and predicting what other drivers might do and making split-second decisions. It's like having a super attentive driver who never gets distracted or tired. And in healthcare, context-aware AI is revolutionizing personalized diagnosis. Imagine an AI that doesn't just look at your symptoms, but understands your entire medical history, lifestyle, and even genetic predispositions. It's like having a doctor who's known you your entire life, but with the knowledge of thousands of medical textbooks. This is how context engineering is quietly running your world, making technology smarter, more intuitive, and more helpful than ever before. But hold on to your hats, because we're just getting started. The future of AI context engineering is mind-blowing. Imagine AI that gets sarcasm, reads the room, and even predicts your needs before you know them yourself. We're talking about AI that understands the nuances of human communication so well, you might forget you're not talking to a person. It's not science fiction, it's the #1 trend for the next decade. Think about it. AI that can write a joke that actually makes you laugh, or a virtual therapist that picks up on your mood just from the tone of your voice. We're entering an era where AI doesn't just process information, it understands context so deeply that it can engage in truly meaningful interactions. But here's the kicker. As AI gets better at understanding context, it also gets better at creating it. We're on the brink of AI that can craft entire narratives, complete with emotional arcs and character development. It's not just about crunching numbers anymore. It's about creating experiences that resonate on a human level. And let's not forget about the ethical implications. As AI becomes more context-aware, we'll need to have serious conversations about privacy, consent, and the boundaries between human and machine intelligence. It's exciting, it's a little scary, and it's absolutely crucial that we stay informed and engaged with these developments. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, for starters, it means the technology you interact with every day is about to get a whole lot smarter. But more importantly, it means we're entering an era where understanding AI isn't just for tech geeks, it's for everyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. That's why we're here at What's Next, breaking down these complex topics and making them accessible to everyone. Because let's face it, the future is coming. Whether we're ready or not, tanned, we want you to be more than ready. We want you to be excited, informed, and empowered to shape that future. So here's your mission. Should you choose to accept it, dive deeper into the world of AI. Ask questions, challenge assumptions, and never stop learning. Because the more we understand this technology, the better we can ensure it serves humanity in the best possible way. And speaking of questions, we want to hear yours. Smash that like button if you learned something new today, and share your wildest AI question in the comments below. Trust me, there's no such thing as a dumb question when it comes to the future of technology. If you're hungry for more mind-bending tech insights, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our next episode where we're diving into how AI is rewriting creativity itself. It's going to be a wild ride and we want you right there with us. Remember, the future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we create together. So let's get out there and shape it. This is What's Next, signing off for now, but always looking ahead. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the future.